Good morning, guys. Please click the subscribe button. It's Dave, All Important Reviews, and it's an unboxing of an interesting little watch I saw a few weeks ago on AliExpress by a manufacturer that's named U1001. They make homage watches, so-called ceramic bezels, full stainless steel bracelets, and this is a homage to the GMT Master. Oh, it should be. So let's have a look what we get in the box. Pretty standard packaging. This is not bad. This is supposed to be the all black ceramic bezel version because I wanted an all black version. And the other benefit of this watch, at least on paper, was that it's only supposed to be very thin. Now let's measure it just as a quick, because it doesn't look that thin. Okay, so that's a lot thicker than what was claimed on the spec. The spec claimed, I believe, 11.5 mil. I'll double check that. It either said 12.5 mil or 11.5 mil, but ultimately that is a lot thicker than the quoted spec, and it is only 30 meter water resist, at least nominally. That bezel feels really weird. Now this is a cheaper model than the Pagani ones. This is only about 30 odd pounds, I believe, or 40 pounds. It's a lot cheaper than Pagani designs. The alignment seems fine. The bezel feels really weird. I've not felt one like that before. Doesn't feel quite too good, that bezel, but it is clearly ceramic. I can't see any blemishes on it currently. Let's have a look. Yeah, that bracelet has a similar issue to the Liege that I bought recently, in that they just feel a bit wackery at the ends, but doesn't look too bad. It is clearly a lot thicker than what they stated, which to me is not a good thing. If they had the water resistance to back it up, that would be different, but they don't on this occasion, at least according to their nominal spec, which we know off a lot of these Chinese manufacturers is a load of crap. But there's no markings on the clasp. Clasp feels pretty good. Yeah, it's a good action. Feels better than Pagani's anyway. But looks very good. I'm going to put a full review up shortly once I've used it properly. I love the black on black for the these GMT style watches. Again, I'll be checking that the GMT hand works, because you can get 3 time zones, or you're supposed to, on these type of watches. I think the black on black one, obviously the real Rolex one, or the original that it's homaged from, is one of the all-time most beautiful all-around watches that you can get. But it has been discontinued, I believe, last year. It was discontinued in 2019, but they've been true to the homage, and they've kept the green hand and the green markings on the bezel. But the only thing on paper that I was disappointed with was the water resistance. But again, 30 meter water resistance, it's debatable. You're not supposed to swim with it, and I would not suggest swimming with it, but there are many that do swim with 30 meter water resistant watches and have no issue whatsoever. So it'll be interesting to see if I Like Watches picks it up. He's got another YouTube channel and he puts it in his tester thing just to see how it passes. There's a bit of marks on that, on the links there, but I'm going to check that out to see if that is a blemish or if it's just some residue. But yeah, so far not bad. Full review will be on the channel shortly. If you want to pick it up, there'll be a link below. Thanks a lot for the new subscribers. Hopefully we'll get to 100 subs very quickly. There's going to be loads more content coming up. Thanks for checking it out.